This is about, because Simon, you know, like what you wrote in Slack, oh, we did this and we did that and we did, like if we could get 30 seconds of you talking about that excitedly. So let's try to warm you up to that. But, you know, again, the idea is we're going to talk about this stuff. We're going to talk about this stuff, and Ryland's going to make a beautiful video.
I wasn't going to come at you that hard, Simon, but I guess how are annotations actually different? Like, I'm seriously curious.
Why do we even need them?
The important difference. No, really, this is what I think between us and you ask like what is the difference between us and other CMSs? So we see this kind of repeated way of other CMS. What they do, they require you to write your site and components their way, right? You have to wrap everything with their own components. You have to basically what we call here in Israel, or maybe like others call it like that. You have to marry the framework, right? Or marry, like you have to use it, and you cannot basically break out of it, right? You cannot eject. But if you decided to use, let's say, Tina CMS, that's it. That's your only way. You cannot refactor your project to use something else. But with Stackbit, you don't marry with Stackbit. You can still use anything you want. You can use other frameworks. You can use Tailwind CSS. You can use any other CSS framework. You're not married with Tailwind CSS, right? So that's the difference. And this is exactly how, like, our approach with using annotations, right? Because annotations are just like attributes you add to HTML. If you don't want to use them, you just remove them. It's not like your framework is based on data attributes or on like HTML attributes. It's like minor thing. You can remove it like whenever you want, just with string replace, and nothing will break. So like that's the main difference, I think.